about the last marketing campaign you actually remembered? Not just one you saw, but one you experienced. It could be something interactive or out of the ordinary. We're talking about marketing that you had conversations about later, and that matters because attention is expensive. But here's what most brands miss. Attention alone doesn't build loyalty. Experience does. In this video, we're breaking down what experiential marketing is all about and how you can, instead of just showing ads to customers, create moments that people remember and talk about. Let's start by understanding what experiential marketing really is. The concept focuses on creating moments people can interact with, rather than just messages they passively watch. Unlike traditional methods, which often feel transactional, experiential marketing relies heavily on creative, edgy campaigns. This unique perspective creates long-lasting brand impressions, ensuring that consumers are not just buyers, but advocates of the brand's values and vision. But not all experiential campaigns look the same. The format depends on your goal: awareness, engagement, or conversion. Broadly, experiential marketing falls into 4 main categories, each designed to achieve a different outcome. The first one we'll cover is event marketing. This is the type of marketing that comes to mind when you think of concerts, festivals, trade shows, or brand-hosted conferences. These events bring people together while placing your brand at the center of the experience. Next is brand activation. These are short-term, high-impact experiences designed to generate buzz. Think pop-ups, surprise installations, or street campaigns that encourage participation. This type of marketing is ideal when the goal is to grab immediate attention and social sharing. Then there's product sampling, which lets people try before they buy. Whether it's a free trial, hands-on demo, or a limited giveaway, this type of marketing helps your customer feel the emotion of owning your product before they buy. This strategy works best when you're introducing new products in really competitive markets. Finally, we have immersive experiences that use technology or multi-sensory design to fully surround the customer. This includes using technology such as augmented and virtual reality or interactive installations to provide a deep virtual experience for your customers. This strategy is highly effective when your goal is to create deep brand recall and premium positioning relative to competitors. Each of these formats serves a different objective: awareness, buzz, product trial, or deep brand recall among your customers. Now let's look at a few real-world examples that applied these formats strategically and got it right. A strong example of immersive experiential marketing is Louis Vuitton's LV Dream exhibition in Paris. The brand built a physical space that offered interactive installations, exclusive merchandise, and even a branded cafe for customers. This wasn't just awareness, it reinforced LV's premium positioning and deepened brand recall through immersion. IKEA, on the other hand, took a very different approach with its in-store sleepover campaign. Instead of advertising mattresses, they invited customers to spend the night in the store, where they received personalized recommendations and sleep consultations. This blended product sampling with event marketing, reduced purchase hesitation among customers, all while generating massive word of mouth. And our next example is Google's Home Mini Donut Shop campaign. Here, instead of a standard ad, visitors were invited to ask the Google Assistant a question. If the device answered correctly, they received a free donut or a Google Home Mini device. This campaign created buzz by combining product demonstration with reward-based engagement. Each of these campaigns was built around a clear objective, whether it was immersion, product trial, or high-impact activation. So, how do you plan something like this for your own brand? First, know your audience. Think about what segment you are targeting and what would genuinely excite or surprise your customers. Second, keep it authentic to your brand. If the experience feels forced, it won't resonate. Develop your own strategy that you know your customers will love. Third, use technology wisely. AR, VR, or interactive tools should enhance the story, not distract from it. And finally, measure the right metrics. Track attendance, engagement, social mentions, and conversions, not just foot traffic. As you know by now, planning an experiential campaign involves a lot of moving parts: vendors, budgets, timelines, staffing, and logistics. And during a time like that, A tool like ClickUp, the world's first converged AI workspace, can be godsend help. ClickUp offers tons of templates, project management, knowledge management, and chat features that can help you plan and execute your experiential marketing campaigns all in one place. As you have already witnessed, experiential marketing campaigns need to be creative and highly engaging to embed your brand in the customer's mind. ClickUp Brain helps you with that exactly. You can use Brain AI to create catchy campaign ideas by simply feeding in target audience, goals, budget, and a few other details. Once you have the campaign idea in mind, you can use ClickUp tasks with custom fields to assign owners, tag activation types, and set clear deadlines so your team can execute these campaigns efficiently. Once you launch your campaign, you can then use ClickUp dashboards to get a real-time view of campaign progress and track performance metrics. Ultimately, experiential marketing is less about making noise and more about creating memorable moments that create effective brand recall among customers. Drop your wildest experiential marketing idea in the comments below. And if you're ready to plan your next campaign with clarity, like, subscribe, and sign up to ClickUp.com.